May 7th marks the 8th day of testimony heard in the defense's case. Over 40 witnesses have been called to the stand, including family members, former classmates and teachers at Tsarnaev's school, Cambridge Region and Latin, a neuroscientist who specializes in adolescent brain development, and a Princeton University professor who specializes in Chechen culture. The defense hopes to show jurors through witness testimony that mitigating factors support life in prison without parole as a preferable alternative to the death penalty. The testimony of those witnesses who knew Tsarnaev before his arrest for the Boston bombing painted a picture of him as kind and caring, someone they never would have imagined could commit the 2013 bombing. Henry Alvarez, who was a high school wrestling teammate of Tsarnaev's, described him as kind and as someone who never caused harm to anybody. Tsarnaev was a co-captain on the team, and his former wrestling coach also took the stand to testify. Another witness was Eric Traub, a former teacher of Tsarnaev's who wrote his college recommendation. Traub read the recommendation aloud to jurors. In it, he described Tsarnaev as, quote, amiable with peers and adults, a pleasure to know, and always polite and respectful. Traub stands by what he wrote as an accurate reflection of his assessment of Tsarnaev at the time. The defense's long list of witnesses has been characterized by some as a strategy to buy Tsarnaev enough time for jurors to see him in a different light, after weeks of listening to the horrific acts he committed. The defense's case is expected to end this week or early next, after which the government will present a brief rebuttal case. After both sides sum up, the jurors will retire to deliberate and decide whether to sentence Tsarnaev to life in prison or to death. For Tsarnaev to receive the death penalty, each and every juror will have to vote that it is the appropriate punishment. Stay up to date on these and other developments on news.acmi.tv. For Arlington Public News, I'm Jamie Maffeo.